All right, hello and welcome back. Right here with ClickMill. In this video, we're going to start talking about readability. Okay, so readability for people. So the first thing that I want to address, and we're going to go through some readability indicators, some things you want to be thinking about while you're writing, and then we're going to go in and do some example writing with the table of contents that we wrote in the last video. So in this video, I want you to be aware that you should be speaking and writing in first person. Okay, so in other types of writing, we write with other persons. Okay, so when, for example, for those of you who have been a part of the bio writing, you write in third person. You know, Brett Henderson is a professional digital marketing consultant and the author of blank. That's how we write. That sounds very professional. That builds people's confidence in us, and it doesn't sound like we're tooting our own horn. When we're talking to a reader on the internet, we want to be very personal. We want them to trust us and to know who we are and to feel like they have a relationship with us. Someone this morning, and this is the goal, like this was really cool. I got on the website this morning and someone was like reading one of the articles that I wrote on discipleship. And they're like, this is an incredible article. All of your write-ups are really good. And you know, I wish I don't think he used the word disciple, but he's like, I want to study under you and learn how to do this. How do I do that? So he read some articles that we wrote and then decided that those articles were so good that if anyone on the planet, he wants to come and hang out with us and learn what we're doing. Okay, that's the goal. And that's also the goal with clients too. Okay, so how do we do that? We write in first person. In your private school, okay, are you looking, and how about this? Are you trying to get more enrollments in your private school and you're having a hard time figuring out what marketing strategies to use to increase your students? That's all about them. And it's like I'm talking to you. And that's how we want to write. I don't want to write professional. I don't want to write the way we learned in college. If any of you have been to higher education, I don't want to be formal. I want to be their best friend, and I want to be talking to that person. Okay, so first person writing. If I'm talking about here at ClickMill, when I do this, okay, it took me 4 years to learn this skill, and I'm just being me with them. And I'm giving my experience. One time when I was, and maybe I wouldn't say one time, but you know, one client that I worked with private school marketing was unaware that they needed a sales team, that they were doing sales. And so it's so important when they implemented their sales strategies, their close rate on students went up 20% and they were only at 20%. So that doubled the money coming into their school over the next so many years. Okay, so I'm talking like I'm me. Okay, so talk in first person. That is the message for writing in this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about who you're talking to, and I'll see you there. God bless.